Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use a wireless charger. This will be a full tutorial and an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this little wireless charger. It's absolutely awesome, and I'm going to be demonstrating it with this specific wireless charger, but they all work in a very similar manner. So first and foremost, make sure that your wireless charger is plugged in properly to your power brick, and then plug it into the wall outlet to give you some power to the wireless charger, okay? You can see that color right there means that it has power to it, but it's not charging anything. Now what you wanna do is you wanna place the device on the wireless charger, okay? And I'll show you a few tips in just a moment, but let me just show you how it works. This is an AirPods case. This one has the wireless charging capabilities. So if I place it down there, watch that light. I don't think you saw it. Well, first of all, this light turned blue, which means that it's charging, but this light over here is illuminated as well. It's kind of hard to see. There you go. Well, you saw it right there. So once again, watch that light when I place it down. I'll try and give it some shadow so you can see right there. So that light turned on, meaning that it is wirelessly charging, okay? And the blue light on the actual charger means that it is charging something as well. Now you'll notice that if I take it and I move it to the side, sometimes, as you can see right there, it turned green. It's not charging anymore. And that's because the wireless charger has a pretty specific spot that it needs to be in. Now, some wireless chargers, some of the wireless charging pads will have various chargers around it, so you can it gives you a lot more leeway. But if one of the wireless chargers that you're using only has a specific spot similar to this one, as far as I know, then you need to get it kind of right on there. So you have to imagine that on the back of this, there's a little circular area that will activate when it is on top of this circular wireless charging area. So you want to try and get it roughly centered, and it should work, okay? See, it didn't work right there. We're going to turn it, and now it worked right there, as you can see. So you have to kind of play around with it. If it doesn't start charging, then just move it around and it should work. And that's basically it. That is essentially how to use a wireless charger, a full tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.